Sleep at the sound of your voice. Mountains and stones will all tremble, melt to a river of gold. I do not know all your wonders, even forget but when my days are over, I hope to see all the things I've been told. Even the wildest at heart will sleep at the sound of your voice. Mountains and stones will all tremble, melt to a river of gold. I do not know all your wonders, I even forget you all.
Here we go, a planet.
My days are all I hope to see the melt to a river of gold. I do not know all your wonders, I even forget who you are. But when my days are all over, I hope to see all the things I've been told.
Океанами расстояния отмеряя себе, поцелуями или ранами отмечая в судьбе, и каждую ночь выверяя движения в сонном дыхании луны, и невозможно противиться притяжению ее седины. Безнадежными, безответными ожиданиями сна, безымянною, неприветливою бывает луна, и позади твоих глаз затеряются в томном молчании сны, и беззастенчиво сон растворяется в теплых объятиях зимы. И детей своих, избегающих наказания сна, этой полночью властью данною обвенчала луна.
The heels of my shoes are too slippery for grass. My daydreaming is always set in the past. Pockets full of pebbles and knees stained in green. Daisy chains on my head, I'm the garden queen. The trees in the garden take pity on me. Go back to the wonders of city routine while I stay happily planted. My night is filled with stars. Oh, 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 oh. height of my heels is ridiculously tall. I kept hold your hands till I tumble and fall. The crabs in the coastline take pity on me. Go back to the wonders of beauty regimes. The fish in the ocean take pity on me. Go back to the wonders of cheap chemistry. While I stay happily floating my night.